Welcome back, everyone. Good afternoon. Hope you are all well, doing well. Stay healthy, stay at home. Why only 27 are there? Where are the others? This attendance, how it will do? If this is the attendance, then we will stop the class. Why? Because we are taking too much trouble to take the class. We are taking numerous efforts to do the class, and you all are simply waiting to watch the video afterwards. What about the attendance? Last class also I saw, after the live class, I saw attendance. So I noted down the names, those who were there for the whole class, for the whole live session for that day. Today I also, every time I do that, those who were live, those attendance are only taken. Others, so will not waste time, we'll straight away start the class. So last class we did what is cell referencing, what are the different types of cell referencing, relative referencing, absolute and mixed referencing. Now today you have already learned about functions, what are functions, and I have explained you what are functions. And today whatever examples has been given here, like average, count, exponent, integer, LCM, length, maximum, minimum, mode, power, product, quotient, round, square root, sum, today, and if functions. These functions one by one will do how it works with an example. Straight away we'll go to Excel and we'll do that. So before that, let me make my screen smaller. So I open Excel. I have 2013, so I will open 2013. So we'll click on a blank document. First of all, we'll work with average. What do you mean by average? You know very well how to, what is average, what do you mean by average, how to take out the average of certain numbers or a range of cells where there is data. So first of all, I will write some numbers. Suppose in B column I am writing randomly, I am writing some numbers. So I have written some numbers. I'll make it bigger so that you can see. I think it is clear now. So I want to take out the average of these numbers. These are from B1 to B6. You can see this is B and this is 6. So I will take out from B1 to B6 the average of these numbers. So I want to take out in B7. Okay. So simply I will write the formula. the formula is written is equal to average, and we'll select the range of numbers like this from here till here. We'll select, automatically it will take, or we can also write the B1 is to B6. Okay, so as soon as we will press enter, we can see that we have written function here. As soon as we will press enter, you will see the average is 54, right? So the average is 54. So you can see, if I click on cell number 7, you can see the function on the top in the address bar, right? You can see here the average, the function has been written here. If I want to take out from B1 to B5, instead of B6, I will make it B5. Let's see what happens. So you can see it is 54.2. It has omitted cell number B3. So we can take out the average this way. Let us come to the next one. Next one is count. So one thing you can see here, there are certain numbers from B1 to B6. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers. So if there are more than 6, like number of hundreds and thousands of numbers, so how to count how many numbers are there? So simply we will write the formula is equal to count, and we'll put the bracket, and we'll select from 1 to this range of cells. So you can see automatically it has taken, and we'll press the closing, and we'll press enter, and you can see there are 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers. We have counted the range numbers in the range of cells. So simply, if there is in B3, if I have written some text, maybe some name, or I will write computer. So let's see what happens. It became 5 because the text is not counted, only the numbers are counted. So you can see, instead of 5 it became, instead of 6 it became 5. So it will count only the numbers. So let us change to the back. Now we have finished count. Now we'll come to exponent. What do you mean by exponent? It returns the natural logarithm raised to the power. So any power we want to raise to the power of any number, we can do that. So simply I will do it in a separate cell, maybe in E4 I will do. So is equal to exponent, that is short is xp, and any numbers we can give. Here it is given 2. Let us see how. So welcome back. Some problem was there due to power cut. So we were doing exponent. So maybe we have taken C4 as the cell number, and we'll put exponent here. Suppose exponent of is equal to exponent, the short is exp, sorry, and we'll give any numbers. Here example has been given as 2, and the output is 7.3891. Let us see if it comes same. So we'll put the closing bracket, and we'll press enter, and you can see the same output came. So we can do it of different also. This will make it exponent of any number, maybe give 5, and let's see what it comes. So you can see the output is 4132. So we can take out the exponent of any numbers we want. Now how to take out the integer of any number. When you go to a higher classes, you will know about integer numbers more. So let us delete this formula, and suppose any decimal numbers we want to integer of the decimal numbers. So is equal to integer for sort is int, and we'll give suppose 15.3245612, any number we have given, and when we press enter the integer is 15, it will take it as a whole. So what is the rounds a number to the nearest integer. To the nearest integer it has round off. Okay, any number we can give. So if you can make it bigger so that you can see. If I make it different number, maybe I will give it 14.235, any number, random number I have given. So as the lowest round off, it is 14. Okay, right? So integer also we have taken out. Next one is LCM. So LCM, you very well know what do you mean by LCM. It returns the least common multiple of a number in a given range. So let us here, whatever example is given here, let us write that only. Suppose in C I am writing 10, then it is 16, then it is 8, then it is 20. 16, then 8, then 20. So you can see these are the numbers written in the example given in the book. So 10, 16, 8, 20. So take out the LCM of these numbers. So is equal to LCM. You can write C1 to be C4, or you can simply drag and select the cells, and we'll close the bracket and we'll press enter. You can see the LCM is 80. So here also output is 80, that means it is correct. So we can change any numbers, maybe we will change it to 30. So it will change to 240 LCM. Okay, so according to that you can take out the LCM of any numbers what is given here. So I think LCM is also very clear to you all. Now length is very simple. If you want to take the length of any number, length means the characters, the alphabets, how many alphabets are there in a word. So suppose I will write here it is given the is equal to len. Len is the short form of len. So len we will write is equal to len, and we will put inverted comma. So any text we will put it inside the inverted comma. So I want to take out of computer. So if you count how many numbers are there in computer, so COMPUTER, there are 8. So as soon as we press enter, it will show the result as 8. So any numbers, if I make it suppose if I make it so how many it is there? That is 4. So it will give it as 4. So you can see it is 4. So any number, if you want to count how many alphabets are there, how many characters are there, you can easily take out with this. So normally we don't use this all, but this is the functions given in Excel, so that you can try it out. Now maximum. So suppose delete this. Here we will give some more numbers, whatever it is in C column 10, 16, 8, 30. Now we'll give 25 and 45 and 72 and 56 and 22. So we have given some C1 to, I will delete this. So you can see we have given from C1 to C7. I will delete this also. C1 to C7 I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we use the maximum command, maximum function, it will show the maximum number here, whichever is the maximum. You know 72 is the maximum. So it will simply will write the function as max, that is maximum, and we will give the what is it called, starting bracket, and we'll select the whole range of cells and we'll use the close bracket. Then we'll press enter. You can see 72 is the result, that means this is the 72. So if I make it this 8, where is it written 8? If I make it 82, so it will show 82 is the, if I press enter now, it will show 82 is the maximum number. So let me press enter. So you can see now it became 82. So it is the maximum number in the range of cells. Same way we can take out the minimum number also. So whichever is the minimum number, 10 is the minimum number. So let me delete this function and I will write here minimum is equal to minimum min starting bracket, and we'll select the whole cells and we'll press the enter button and we'll see, you can see 10 is the minimum number here in the range of cells. So it can be vertical also, horizontal also, whichever numbers you can select, it will show you the least number, that is the minimum smallest value in this range of cells. Okay, now with mode, it retains the remainder when a number is divided by another number. So whenever you divide a number with a certain number, either there is remainder and either there is no remainder. Okay, if you divide 20 by 5, there will be no remainder. If you divide 20 by 3, there will be a remainder. So let us see if there is a remainder. I will take a different cell and I will write is equal to mod and give suppose 20 by divided by 3. So if we press and will press, and you can see the remainder is 2. So if you divide 20 by 3, we will get a remainder as 2. So it can be of any numbers. So if I make it 132 maybe divided by 3, so what will be the remainder? Press enter, you can see 0 is the remainder, means it is divisible by 3. Now again we'll see if I divide 33, so what will be the remainder? Press enter, you can see 1 is the remainder, right? So any number, whether it can be divided by certain number, if there is no, it can be divided by certain number, it will be, result will be 0. If there is a remainder, the remainder will be the output. Now you have learnt about power, in how to take out the power of a certain number. In class 6 also I have shown you how to take out the power of certain number, and in maths also you have learned how to take out the power. What is the power 2? So suppose I want to take out the power of 2 to the power 3. So simply we'll write is equal to POWER power, and we will write what I told, 2 to the power 3, right? 2 to the power comma 3, sorry, is equal to power 2 to the power 3, and we'll close the bracket and we'll press that. So 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Very well. Now if I change, suppose power of 5, 3 to the power of 5. So what will be the answer? Our output, will press enter, it is 125. So any bigger number, let us take any bigger number. So I will take as 30, and 4 to the power 30 is, will press enter, it is 81,000, near about 81. Yes. So you can see the power 2 has come. Now let us see. Next is product. What do you mean by product? It multiplies the number in a given range of cells. Suppose I have given certain number. Here the example is given 10, 12, 9, 8. Maybe I have written 8. Okay, 3. And let us see first what is there in there. Then only we will find out whether it is correct or not. So 10, 12, 9, 2, 5. So these are the numbers given in example in your book, and we will take out the product. What do you mean by product? First product, 10 into 12, whatever the output is, into 9, then again whatever the output is into 2, again the whatever output is there into 5. Whatever it comes, it will show here. This is the work of the product. It multiplies it multiplies the number in the given, each and every number multiplies to each other to give the result. Okay, so simply we'll write is equal to product, and we'll select the range of cells. So we'll select from here till here, and we'll close the bracket and we'll press enter. You can see it is 10,800 given, 10,800 given. So this is the result of the multiplication of these numbers. Let us take different numbers, maybe 10, then 15, then 30, then 5. Okay, so same formula will use, is equal to product, and we'll close the open the bracket, we'll select these numbers, we'll close the bracket, we'll press enter. So you can see it is 22,500. So this is the, when you multiply these one numbers one after another, it will get the result as this, the output as this. Okay, we'll delete this. Now quotients, you know what do you mean by quotient? When you divide something and it returns the quotient when a number is divided by another number. So as we get the remainder, same way if there is a quotient, we get the quotient, right? So how to take out the quotient of, here the example is given here, is equal to QUOTIENT, quotient, and here example is given as 58 divided by 8, sorry. So what is the answer? It is given 7. Output is 7. Let us see whether it is coming 7 or not. We'll press enter. You can see the answer is 7. Simple. So we can also change. Maybe we will make it 86, and we'll make it this one as 6. So when we press enter, so you can see the quotient is 14. So any number divisible by some another number, if you want to see what is the quotient, you can take out like this. Now round off. So what do you mean by round off? So any numbers which are in decimal, suppose I will take as is equal to, here example is given 19.3754, and it will round off to 2, right? So we will see what happens. So I have taken a different number, maybe I will take 17.4532616, and we will round off to 2 decimals. So we'll press enter. What it will take? It will take as 17.45. Now the same number, if I remainder how many digits would be there after the decimal? I have taken 2, now we will make it 3. So it will show you 17.453, not beyond that. So when we press enter, you can see 17.453. Now same thing again I will do, and I will show it round off to 4 digits. So I will make it 4. Now press enter, you can see it is showing 17.4532. So how many numbers after the decimal we want to see, how many numbers, specified numbers we want to round off. So it will show it. I think it is clear to you all. So according to the book, if you can try, if you could practice at home, it will show you. So next is square root. How to take out a square root of some certain number. I have also shown you how to take out the square root. You know very well what to do, how to take out the square root. So same way of a particular number, here is equal to square root, the short form is SQRT of certain number. Here example is given as 35. Let us see the exact output is coming or not. When we press enter, you can see it is showing 5.9160. It has taken as whole is 8. So it's correct. I will make it little bit more bigger. Okay. So let us take a different number. Maybe we will take it as 72. What is the square root of 72? When we press enter, you will get the result as 8.48528. Now you can also from here, from the numbers, you can make it smaller. You want to bring it to 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit, it's up to you, or you can make it whatever is the highest. Okay, so let us leave it. Now sum is very well know what do you mean by sum. If you want to take out the sum of these numbers, certain numbers, Sum is very easy. If you want to take out the sum of this range of cells, what is the total? When you add all these numbers, what will be the sum? So it is from C1 to C8. What is the total sum of this? Is equal to sum, and we will select the range of cells and we'll press the closing bracket and we'll press enter, and you can see the result is 290. When you add up all these total numbers, you will get a addition of 290. Suppose they have made a mistakes, maybe instead of 30 it will be 52. So when you press 52, write 52, correct it and press enter, automatically the here sum also will change. Okay. So it is clear, I think so. Now today it displays the current date. So simply it's a fun is equal to today. So what is today's date? We'll press the closing starting bracket and the closing bracket and we'll press enter. Today is, you can see that today is 26/5/2020. Okay. So simply you can take out like this. Now next one is if function, which is very important, and you are having problem with if functions. So clearly see what do you mean by if functions here. So in these numbers only I will try. So suppose this is the number of Amit, Sunil, Tina, Suresh, Javed, Seema, any number I can give, Rita, and Tuhin. Okay, so I have just given a random, for example, I have given some numbers. These are the maybe the marks of some subjects. Okay, so you can see there are certain names over here and whatever marks they have got. And if I want to take out that, I want to comment in this section. Okay, I want to leave one comment whenever I will give this report to someone, I want to comment. So I will write, I will give if any of them who got more than 40, the message will come good. Okay, and if it is less than 40, the message will come as try again. So we have given if function here. Why? Because if in these numbers, whatever numbers are selected here, these numbers, if anyone has got less than 40, it will be written as try again or try hard, or if it is more than 40, then it will be messages will be displayed as good. So simply in the first one we will write is equal to, the first function will write if, and we'll start the bracket and we will write here it is D1. So suppose we'll write D1, and if it is less than 40, and we'll put comma and we'll write in inverted comma good. Right. So what I have written, see very well, very nicely you see. I will make it little bit, sorry, I will first make it little bit bigger so that you can see. So is equal to if C1, this is C1, right? C1 is less than 40, then the message will be displayed as good. Okay, and if it is more than 50, or else, not if, or else it will be written as try hard. Okay, and use the close button. So whatever formula I have written here, you can see here is equal to if C1, what is there in C1? It is highlighted C. It is 10 here. If C1 is less than 40, no, sorry, it will be, here we will write try hard and here we will write good. If it is more than, okay, so I have changed the formula a little bit. If C1, whatever there is C1 is less than 40, I will write it try hard, or else it will be written as good. If it is more than 40, it will be written as good. If it is less than 40, it will be written as try hard. So let's press enter. So you can see it is less than 40, it has written as displayed as try hard. I'll make it center. So you can see here Amit got 10, so it is written try hard. If it was more than 40, if I make it, see, if I make it the number, I make it 42 or 50 I will make. So automatically it changes to good. So let us make it 10 only. What was default? So it is written as try hard because it is less than 40. Now same formula according to the relative what do you call relative referencing, we will simply drag this to up till tuhin. We will simply drag this till tuhin. I have dragged this till tuhin and I will leave it. So you can see whoever got less than 40, it is written here try hard, and whoever got more than 40 is written good. Is it clear to you now? Just write here, well, or I will explain it again. See here, Amit got 10, that's why it is less than 40, it is written try hard. 16, it is less than 40, that's why it is written try hard. Tina got 82, which is more than 40, it is written good. Here Suresh got 52, which is more than 40, it is written good. Javed got 25, it is less than 40, that's why it is written try hard. And Seema got 45, it is written good, which is more than 40. 72 is more than 40, it is written good. Again 10 is there, which is less than 40, it is written try hard. Okay, and here I have written the formula. You can see the formula here. If I click on the formula, you can see. If I click on the formula, you can see. And to see the formula, so you can see here good. Now instead of good, I don't want to write try hard here. I will just leave it as blank. I will simply put double inverted commas on both the sides and will press enter. Now you can see it is not written anything, try hard, and same formula I will copy it over here, and less than 40 it is not written nothing, it is blank, and okay, and others are written false, good, sorry. Okay, now again we will change this. I will just remove this. So what happens if I remove this? If C1 is less than 40, okay, it is written good. Okay, so let us see what happens now. See, it is not taking because, oh sorry, D2 is taken. So it is written good. Now I will change the formula because it should not be good. If I may change the here, it is more than 40, it is then only it will be written as good. So I will press enter. So automatically it will display as false. When it is less than 40, it will display false. I have not written anything. It will give you the result as false. Others will show it as good. So if I drag it, so you can see those who got less than 40, it is false, and those who got more, they are written as good. Okay, I think it is clear to you now. What is if function? Anyone is having problem? Is it clear to you? Please reply with yes or no. Okay, so we have done the functions today. We have seen whatever we have done the practical class for all the functions, average till if functions, whatever it is given here. So from next class we'll do the practical class on conditional formatting. We will do sorting of data. We will do the filtering of data. What do you mean by filtering of data? What do you mean by custom filter? How to use the goal seek? These all things we will practice in the practical class. Okay, so till then for today we'll stop here. Any question and answers, any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. If you have not aware of anything, or if you are practicing, when practicing, if you are having any problem, you can afterwards also in the comment section you can write. So you can write down in the comment section any problem, any questions while practicing you are having, and you can note it down. In your next class you can give in the comment section. Before starting the class you write in the comment section that sir, here we are having problem, or anytime. If today only you are practicing and evening, you can also write it in the comment section. In today's video, in the comment section you just comment that I am having this problem, I cannot do that, you can sort it out. Okay, and one thing again I am telling, because many of the students again asking when I will have the class, or when I am not getting anything. So please, because you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel so that you can get the notification of my upcoming class. Okay, if you subscribe the channel, if you hit the notification bell, then only you will get the notification of the upcoming class, because I schedule my class. Today I scheduled my class just 1 hour before, so it was late. But normally I do 24 hours before I schedule my class, that there will be a live class. So I again request you to subscribe this channel so that you can get the notification and don't miss your live classes. Many friends, those who have not, they don't yet know that there is live class going on, please convey this message to them also, so that they can also get the advantage of these classes during this lockdown. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, enjoy your holidays, and study well. Don't waste time, study well. When you are at home, study well. And I think all the subject teachers are giving you the different topics and different subject related materials, so that you can study at home. Plus what else, if you are having computer at home, you practice all those steps. When you do the steps, that will be easy for you. It gets thorough, and whenever question is asked, you can remember and write the steps. If you just mug up the steps, it will not be possible for you to remember. But when you do the practical class, you do step by step in your computer, then it is easy. For if you write in your own words also, you can get the marks. So this is my request to you all, just practice at home. When you are at home, you can practice any time in the computer. Whenever you get time, you practice the steps. Keep the book in front of you, see the steps, how it is doing. If Excel you are doing, as we have done the functions, you write the functions and try it out how it works. Okay, if there is any problem, I am here. You can comment anytime. You have my number, you can call anytime, no problem. So as I told you, next class will start with the remaining chapter. The practical class of the remaining chapter, whatever chapter we have finished, but we will do the practical class on that. So till then, bye, and convey my message to your parents, and give my thanks and regards to your parents for their support and cooperation they are giving us. so that we can in this lockdown period we can carry out with your studies. You can take the live classes. So till then, bye. Stay healthy, eat healthy, play and enjoy your holidays as well as study. So bye. See you on today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, I think so. Yeah, Friday. So see you on Friday. So bye everyone.